Excellent. Boom. Oof. Go ahead, bend over. See, he's having trouble. Yeah, it's hard. It's look at him. He's struggling. Okay, to get there, and the posture too. Okay, come on, come back up. But it hurts when you're there. You see how hard it is for him to come back up. All right. There we go. Alrighty, my brother. We gotta get you moving. We gotta get you moving. All that pressure, tension, and stress. Gotta get it out of your spine system. Can't be there. And your sacrum, hip bones, tailbone, a lot of pressure, tension, and stress built up over time. The more you sit here, the more compressed. The more you bend over at the waist, the more compressed. Good. Excellent. You're going to turn to this side, face me. You're going to lie on that right side, bring that right leg through. Right here, bring this side right here. This one right there, right there. Bring this one right there. And get you right here. See all that tension? All right, tight, right? Excellent. I'm going to go other side. Get it moving. Right there, right there, right here and here. Excellent. That's tight. See, you got tension. And then you're going to stand up. You're going to put your back up against that wall right there. Yo.
Sorry, just giving you an update. Oh, he's here. Okay.
Yeah. He's here. He didn't disappear.
No, I was about to say, Houdini here.
Yep.
I did the workup for the next one.
Okay.
And then I have the one after that.
So two?
Yeah.
Yeah, that schedule. I think we got to fix that schedule thing. All right, we'll figure it out later.
Well, remember, here we don't have 3 rooms. We really need to. Yeah.
Exactly. Alrighty. Gonna tuck that chin. Take a deep breath in. Pull it all the way out. Good. Drop those arms. Keep breathing. Put that head back. See, here we go. That's what we need. See, his head's down. His head is too forward. Head forward. Shoulders compress, collapse. Sternum and ribs, diaphragm collapses. No good. Keep breathing deep. And that cuts off your breathing. You gotta breathe. Breathe deep again. Go ahead. So we gotta get this open. All right, good. Awesome. Gonna come sit right there in that chair. Come and sit. Gotta get all that pressure, tension, and stress out of that spine system. There we go. Sorry. Put those arms over the side, nice and relaxed. Slide down a little bit. He's tall. The world's not built for the tall man. Got to get that occiput. Right here, right here. Drop the shoulder, nice and relaxed. Excellent. Boom. Oof. Good.
Oh man, that felt good.
Good stuff, brother.
Yeah.
You lie on your back. We got to finish it. You go lie on your back. No, I gotta stay right there. You are in perfect position. Give me those hands. Stretch, breathe. Keep breathing. Decompress it. Let's lift that head up. Put that head all the way back. Decompress all the way through. Take a nice deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Keep breathing. Stay back. Keep breathing. That's awesome. Awesome, awesome. Good. Good. Now, let's stand up. Let's see how you feel. Come stand right there again. Now, bend over again, see how it feels.
Almost there.
Almost there. A lot of pain still, or?
No.
Because your range of motion is not that bad, but you had a lot of pain before.
Yeah, I did.
And when you come back up, that's better. You move faster. That's good. But not a lot of pain right now. That is awesome, brother. Never be afraid to get adjusted. Well, first time for a real adjustment.
Yeah.
That's awesome, brother.
Thank you.
Boom. Okay. Good stuff, man. That was good.